In a dense forest, a young boy named Arlo explored the undergrowth, his curiosity leading him to a mysterious, ancient lamp partially buried under a pile of leaves. As he brushed off the dirt and examined his find, he noticed intricate designs etched into its surface. Arlo couldn't resist. He rubbed the lamp, hoping to reveal more details. Suddenly, the lamp began to glow and shake in his hands. To Arlo's amazement, a blue, mystical genie burst forth from the lamp, filling the air with shimmering lights and magical energy. The genie, towering and ethereal, looked down at Arlo with a gentle smile and introduced himself, offering to grant 3 wishes. Amazed and a bit overwhelmed, Arlo made his first wish. He asked for a golden treasure chest, thinking of the adventures it could bring. The genie waved his hand, and in an instant, a magnificent chest filled with gold and jewels appeared before him. Arlo's eyes widened with excitement